You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Butch and I are going to check out Boxed Warriors. Do not, I repeat, do not.
Right.
I say again, do not.
Right, do not.
One more time, do not.
Oh, wait, before you finish that?
Yeah.
I want to say thanks to Head Start
for
sending us this box of Boxed Warriors.
That was very nice. A little more energy. Energy!
Thanks, Head Start.
Do not handle with care.
Wait, what?
Do not handle with care.
Do not handle with care.
No.
That throws me a
This
bit.
way up.
But it says dangerous.
Dangerous.
And it says there's weapons. It says caution, weapons, and fragile.
Oh, well, we'll see.
But do
We'll
not
see.
handle with care.
Well, the weapons are plastic weapons, not real weapons. Well, that is the cool box they sent to us, so we need to get inside.
I wondered why my delivery driver, Sal,
not
was,
Carl this time.
No, Carl is on vacation.
Carl's
Thank
on
you very much,
vacation for
Sal.
Carl.
I was wondering why he was tossing this box all over the place in the back.
Yeah,
He was following instructions, LPS-Dave.
He's not handling with care.
He said, do not handle with care.
And it does say, 13 to collect. Will you unbox the Golden Knight?
Oh, man.
I don't know. If you sent it to us, we will. I have no idea what they sent us. Ooh, let's see. Oh, what they sent us was a full case.
A box of warriors.
Uh-huh.
A box of box warriors.
So count them. That is...
Uno. Two. Tre. Quattro. That's four.
That's four.
Five-o. Sixto.
Okay, let's see. There's something down here. Oh, okay. So that's a filler. They are taunting us with the filler.
Oh.
Yes.
We did get six box
We have
box
six.
warriors, LPS-Dave.
Well, let's just check out one of them. Okay. Do you
know what I know about the Boxed Warriors, LPS-Dave?
What do you know about the Boxed Warriors?
They are not to be handled with care. There you go.
There you go. Is that better? Is that better? Okay, here we go. Let's see. We have Shogun Ninja. Bob Space Force Trooper.
Bob.
Hatori Techno Ninja. Terror Saur. S-A-U-R. Saur. Saur. Cyber Ninja. Sir Bashalot.
Oh, I like him.
Shocker. And then we have Andrers the Spartan. Bjorn the Space Viking.
Bjorn.
Mr. Fluffkins. Cyber Officer Patrol. Wrestlin' Rick. And then, limited edition, Gold Sir Bashalot.
That's the one we're shooting for, LPS.
Rub and reveal your warrior's secret alliance. Ooh. Go in search of metallic and hologram weapons. Okay.
Oh, my.
This looks interesting.
This is going to be interesting. Now, what do you do with these, LPS? Maybe you just throw the boxes around?
I don't know. Look at them. You got a to and from, so you can get these nice Valentine's gifts. Really nice Valentine's gifts. Tear tab. Remove pin on bottom of box before use and dispose. Press here. Okay. Well, it says press here.
Thinking that might not be the right
You mean press where indicated?
Yes.
Okay, so. Open said box.
Now, when it says do not use caution, that does not include when you're using the knife to take the plastic off.
Yeah. It is a letter type opener. We don't call it a knife. Okay, a knife would be something that we don't normally show. Knives.
Right. No knives.
Okay.
This is a no knife channel.
Okay, so tear tab.
Oh, careful. Do not be careful, but be careful.
Okay. Remove pin on bottom of box.
Is anyone else nervous out there?
Remove pin. Oh,
That looks
okay.
like a pin.
Let's see. Yeah. I don't have to use my nail since I'm not allowed to use the knife anymore.
It's a letter type opener, LPS.
Giant weapon.
I was just urging you to not be careful.
Remove pin on bottom of box.
Pin is removed.
Now there is tape here. I think that might be a problem.
I think that might need to come off, LPS-Dave.
It doesn't say remove tape, does it? Does it say remove tape? Press here. Here. I think the tape needs to come off.
Tape must be removed. We're gonna add step 3 to
tape.
that. Oh!
Cool. It is rising. He has risen.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, camera's rising too. Okay, so who do we have? Just by looking, we have red helmet guy, Hatori Techno Ninja.
Oh.
Okay.
I was hoping for him.
Now that's a pretty cool motorized little thing they got.
That
going
is pretty
Let's
crazy.
reactivate that now. Let's redo this here, everybody, with a little bit more excitement.
Chutzpah.
Now we're in the right direction. Press here. Hatori Techno Ninja!
And he looks like he's ready for a fight, LPS-Dave.
Okay, let me take out the giant daggers, what you would call it. I mean scissors.
Oh,
are we allowed to use
boy.
scissors?
I just don't want you to be careful, LPS-Dave.
Okay, here we go.
Don't be careful. It's opposite video, LPS-Dave. Do not handle with care. Do not be careful.
Just destroy everything in sight.
That's right.
Okay.
Keep the box, though. That's a cool box. I think I might want to put like a cup of coffee on there later.
Okay, yeah, that would be funny. Here's Butch's coffee. Press here. So where are you actually pressing here?
Up comes the coffee.
Okay, so getting figure out. Let's cut. Okay, so what'd you say? He's about a 3-inch figure here?
Ish.
3-inch-ish? Okay. Here, let's just show everybody one more time our 3-inch-ish figure.
Hatori!
Come on, buddy. Dun, da, 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 da.
I love the grand entrance.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, the weapon now. The weapon. The toy device.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. And we shall open.
Is it going to pop out as well?
I don't know. There we go. Here we go.
Oh,
so
boy.
there's some. It's almost like a club, nunchuck style with handles. Okay.
That's why his hands are ready for that.
You think so? So it looks like he's like ready to hang on to that.
Oh yeah.
And then this one here. Now we'll get him to, his head spins, okay? He gets the movement with the legs so you can sit him. Here, let's sit him down now. He's coming up. Here he comes. Oh, he's leaning backwards. He's gonna, oh, he's stuck on his head.
Ouch.
Oh, jammed in his head there.
Ouch.
There we go.
Well, he's coming out with both clubs blaring, LPS.
Okay,
Ready to go blazing.
Well, it's hard to put the pegs in when you're pushing because you have to push. Here, I'll get him one leg. And I'll turn him sideways. Side view.
Good idea.
Hours of entertainment.
Wow.
All right, here's his little card. Here's his little card. Hatori Techno Ninja. Hatori was a normal Japanese schoolboy until one day did a DNA test online revealed that he was a descendant from the great Shogun Ninja himself. In 2045, he kept his great-great-great-grandfather's spirit alive as the Techno Ninja patrolling the street of Kyoto, punishing evildoers. Hatori is very talkative and is always playing practical jokes. His voice is breaking, so it's constantly changing pitch. He is also obsessed with the video games and music, and also very, very bright and gifted hacker. So there you go, and there's the front of the card. Did you like all that?
Very nicely done. Nice voicing there, LPS-Dave.
Well, thank you very much, Butch. I sound like Dory, don't I? The whale. Let's regroup here.
I think that's a good idea.
Let's do another one. Hey, Butch, are you ready?
What do you got lined up here, LPS-Dave?
I've got 4 of them lined up in the correct direction now, with the box warriors in front.
Right,
and each little corner I need to press the right corner on each one.
One at a time.
Yeah, one at a time. But I'll go down the line.
I'm out of here.
So, okay.
That's a little too much to handle.
All right, well,
I'm
but
standing back.
just stay back.
I'm standing back.
I've peeled the piece of tape. I have pulled the pin. And I am ready to go. Are you ready?
I'm not following directions because I am being careful.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Camera up just a little bit. And it's going to go. I'm going to go like this. Doot, 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 doot.
Will you make that sound?
I could. Maybe I'll go ding, 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 ding.
I like the first sound better.
Yeah. Doot, 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 doot.
Yes, that's a doot sound for sure.
Never before seen on video, 4 Boxed Warriors. Here we go, and doot, 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 doot.
Wow.
Oh, doot. Dun, dun, dun. Check that out. That is cool.
That was impressive.
Who do we have on first look there, Butch? Name them all.
Well, it looks like Wolfie and Thor. And,
okay, Wolfie is called Mr. Fluffkins.
I wouldn't have guessed that.
Thor is not called Thor. We don't want to use that name in this video. No, we don't. Oh. This is Bjorn, the Space Viking.
That's what I meant.
And then the next one is Shocker.
Shocker.
He looks lightning bolts. And on the end is Wrestling Rick.
Good old Wrestling Rick, LPS-Dave.
Yeah. Are you ready to Wrestling Rick?
These are unboxed warriors right now, LPS-Dave. Very impressive.
Okay, so let me get them out. Let me get their weapons out. We'll set them up now, and we will take a nice closer look at them. All right, we are off the tripod.
All right, aerial view.
3-dimensional boxed warriors. There was the first one we opened.
That was Hatori Techno Ninja.
Now look at that, a folding chair.
Wrestling Rick.
Yeah. And then this one has like a blue glove. What was his name again?
Shocker.
Shocker.
That's Bjorn.
Bjorn. And then Wolfman.
That is the Mr. Fluffkins. He doesn't look very fluffy and nice, LPS-Dave.
Mr. Fluffkins looks a little bothered by being ejected from his little Boxed Warriors box.
Oh, he's smiling, I think.
And then the backs of the cards, maybe what I'll do is I'll just put those, scan those in for everybody so they can read all that information. There's a lot to read there and soak up with your Boxed Warriors. You know what? I think we're just going to end it there.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And thanks for watching. Remember, they do bend at the legs. Their heads turn. Their arms turn. Their wrists are locked in. And their knees are locked in. So you get certain poses you can do. So which one is your favorite, by the way? I usually ask that.
You know what, LPS-Dave? I think I'm a big fan of Wrestling Rick.
Wrestling Rick?
I like the folding chair that he's got.
Yeah, he's got a folding chair. And
what about you?
Big hammer. I think I'm going with Blue Glove guy. I like the
Shocker.
Shocker. I like his little lightning bolt weapon there. Okay. There's for all that bouncing around, everybody. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to learn more about our Boxed Warriors, look in that description. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.